This is a 2008 GMC Acadia. You want to get your car up off the ground so that you can get in to get your crankcase position indicator, which is going to be located right up in there. And you see that hole? I've already got it out. There was a 10mm bolt there. There's also a 10mm bolt there and a 15 down below that I had to take out to get the heat shield off. This is possible to do all of this from underneath the car. Right there is the wire that I pulled out with the position indicator and the new one going back in. In order to get the old one out, you got to push that red lock back and slowly wiggle this out. The whole process, you want to be careful, especially wiggling this thing out of the engine block. You don't want to break anything. That is very true. Alright, remember to put your heat shield back on. Remember to use safety, use some jack stands like I got here. And you should be good to go. I think that's all. You're going to need needle nose, a 13 or a 10mm and a 15mm. And a needle nose and a screwdriver will help you get the wiring situation there. Remember to push that red back and wiggle your position indicator out. And this is my old position indicator right here. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.